This one, when you're creating, when you want to change the bullet symbol, the easiest way is their default thing. That means if you type like car, van, and bus, you can put this bullet square, right? You can put the square, then press enter, and you can type Nissan and Toyota. So after typing this, you can select this and press tab key. Then automatically it will be changed into the next available symbol. If the symbol is not the expected one, you can again go and select the correct symbol. Then under Nissan also you can type please B211, and then you can select and press the tab key. It will automatically change to the symbol. So that is the easiest way of doing that. Understood?
So I finished bullet 1.
Okay. So then when you have this box light, round light, I can type this box light, round light. And then if I select and press the tab key, you can see it's changed to the next available. So that is how it happened. If the expected symbol is not there, still you can select and change the symbol from here. So same thing is applicable for the numbered one. Same thing is applicable for numbered one, right? So tab key will increase the decrease. So this is similar to this. You have the tool here, right? Can you see? There's a tool. When you select, when you increase indent, it's changing the bullet, and when you decrease indent, it's coming back and become main. Increase indent, it will become a sub by changing the bullet. So these two buttons are important, right? So please write down. Please write down. Tab key can be used to increase the indent, and shift plus tab keys together can be used to decrease the indent.
So do we have to send that exercise after the class?
Sorry?
Do we have to send that exercise after the class?
Yes. After the class, you have to send. After the class, you can take the time and finish it. Okay, this can be done for any text, list, or paragraph. When it is applied to a list, tab will automatically assign the next available bullet or number style. So that will be done by the next available bullet or number style. That will automatically be done by the. Okay, when you, even for paragraph, you can do here. When you press the tab, it's going forward, increase the indent. Shift tab, decrease the indent. When you press shift and tab, it is decreasing the indent. And you can see this in the ruler. Please note here. Please note this part, the ruler part. Okay, when you increase the indent, when you select this, press tab key. First tab, so it's going here. Next tab, going here. Next tab, going here. Likewise, it is increasing the indent. It's moving. This tab is moving. So if you don't have the ruler, go to the view and tick the ruler, and you can take this. If you don't have the ruler, tick the ruler and get it in the view tab. And shift tab, you can see when you press the shift tab, shift key and tab key together, it's decreasing the indent. Here, it's decreasing the indent and coming back. And you can manually change the indent if you want. You can select, decrease the indent, and You can manually change the indent also, right? There are buttons here. Also, there's a button here, decrease indent. You can use this button too. But how to change this manually? Select it, click and drag from the tab, and you can go to any point that you like. You can click and drag from the tab. By doing that, you can manually change the indentation. That is also possible. Indentation means the gap between the gap between the ruler margin, gap between the margin and your text or the content. This can be done for picture, list, anything. Okay. Now we saw how to do this, right? Now we saw how to do this. Okay, good.
So can you show the note again?
Which part on this part? Okay, you can write down. Quickly do this, right? Because we have 1.1 other thing to finish, that is word art. So word art means like special drawing like text. It's a drawing like text. You can either use it as a text or use it as a drawing, both way. So please write, insert in a word art. So first of all, I'm going to write my name. And I'm going to select that. Then go to the insert menu. From the insert menu, there are several options. We have learned about tables, pictures, shapes, icons, 3D models. You can insert charts, screenshots. So smart arts like lists, processors, like diagrams, and many things, right? You can insert media, text boxes. We learned that how to insert text boxes. There is a beginning day, first day itself we learn. And then this is the word art. When you click on the word art, it will give the options. Yeah, I'm going to select this one as the option. Then my name will be converted to that word art format where I can move this to anywhere I like. So that is the advantage. Any place I like, I can move this as a picture. Okay, next. After inserting, you can do several changes. You can go select this and go to the shape format, and you can change the fill color. If you don't like this fill color, you can change. Sorry.
Can you please tell again how to make that?
Type your name. Select your name. Go to insert. Then select word art. Then select style that you like, any style from here. You can select any style. Then you can click on this. Just click on this. And then you can change the style, text fill, underline, or the text outline style. So if you want, you can change the shadows, reflection. Let's say you want to add the full reflection. Likewise, you can change. Now you have full reflection in the text. Full reflection in the text.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I need help.
Okay. You can share the screen. Quickly do this. Share the screen, then I can help. Okay, Nadun. Yeah. So what's the help that you need? Just remove the grid lines. You have just added grid lines. So go to the view. Go to the view menu. And untick the grid lines. The second one, grid lines. Here. No, this one, please. Don't go to that. Go to the view menu. So what you're doing? Okay, right. These grid lines you can remove. This one. Untick it. කොටුවක් දැන් මේක අයින් කරන්න. grid line දාලා හින්දා තමයි එහෙම ඉරි කැලි පේන්නේ. Okay. So now what you want to do? Yes. Nadun, you can talk. Can you tell me the task that you want to do? Nadun, මොකටද help එකක් ඕන?
So I guess he can't find his microphone icon.
Sorry? Microphone
I guess,
icon.
I guess he can't identify his microphone icon.
Microphone icon, is that so? Then icon. Okay. Is that the issue? Just minimize it first. Then go to the zoom and you can recognize that. Windows D key. Windows key and D key together. Windows key and D key together to minimize everything. Right. Then go to the task manager and go to the zoom. Zoom. Now you can see the zoom icon in the taskbar. No, just click on the taskbar. There's zoom icon. Now you can't see. Just minimize everything. Okay, there. You can just select the zoom icon and turn on the mic. Okay. Is it not working? It seems his mic is not connecting something, right? Okay, let's share my screen and I'll ask what's the help that he needs. I'll stop from. You give me the remote control, then might be able to see something. Oh, okay. So let's stop sharing and let's share my screen. Okay. So Nadun, can you tell me what kind of help you need? Now I think you can turn on the microphone. Nadun? Still not. Right, okay. Right, Nadun, what you can do is I'll keep the recording in the Ed module. Please refer to the Ed module and try to do this. If you still cannot do this, please let me know, then I'll help, right? Okay, otherwise, like we cannot wait indefinitely. Like, okay, so just change the style. You can change this. So here you can see the bevel styles. If you need to emboss, you can emboss this. If you need to make it 3D like view like this, you can make it 3D, right? Likewise, you can do many tasks with this, with the word art. And later even you can change the, so when you double click this, you can change the text. When you double click this, you can change the text even, right? Okay, so now you know what word art is and how to insert and how to change that. Right, with that, we are going to stop today, and actually we will be doing the workbook. Don't worry, we will do these practicals again with the workbook part that I have planned next week. And also I have planned to start our new lesson, which is coding. So don't miss the classes next day, because there will be a new lesson that is coding, and I'll do both parallelly. Like one session I'll do coding, one session I'll do the workbook. The first session I'll do the workbook, the second session is coding. So don't miss the class next week, right? Okay, then I'm going to stop from here. So we have finished everything under your syllabus. So let's finish the workbook also. Then good night. See you all in the next week.
Good night, sir. Thank
Good night, sir.
Right?
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
you.